When it comes to building the future of the Central Coast, trust the team that's been shaping it for over 15 years. Balesteri Construction isn't just a name, it's a promise. A promise of quality, craftsmanship, and clear communication from start to finish. From detailed pre-construction planning to on-site management and safety that never cuts corners, we deliver projects that last. Whether it's hospitality, healthcare, agriculture, or commercial development, we build more than buildings, we build relationships. Proudly local, fully invested, always committed to the community we call home. Balesteri Construction, building your future since 2007.